Today's party theme is the Lion King. This is a party that I did for my godson. I'll start with the invitation. I created this using Photoshop and added his information. These boxes were made for photo props. I wrapped cardboard boxes with brown craft paper and wrote my phrase on the side of the boxes. The water bottle labels were also made using Photoshop and attached using tape. The food signs for the table were also made in Photoshop. I found a jungle-themed backdrop and added my food item to the center. I made these tent cards for one of the favors. I added animal cookies to a clear bag and added the tent. Here is a look at the birthday boy's shirt and shirts for mom and dad. I created this banner by cutting out leaves in different shades of green. I cut the letter out from gold cardstock. This confetti was cut out using my Cricut. I cut out his name and characters from the iconic movie. The papier-mâché number can be customized for any party. I painted the number and cut out a gold and black crown and an image of Simba in front of a leaf. Attach the items with double-sided tape, and this number is complete. These large leaves will be placed on top of streamers for the photo backdrop. This is another piece of decor. It is a hula hoop covered in brown craft paper with large leaves cut from cardstock. These centerpieces can be made using clear vases, sand, and safari items. Spray paint each item gold, add some sand, and add the items along with large faux leaves. These animals were added on top of faux leaves and wooden slices. The smash cake was kept simple with white icing and a topper. The cupcakes were kept simple as well, with a number 1 with a crown on a toothpick. Here's what was on the menu. The clear glass vases contain lemonade with faux vines wrapped around the top and bamboo straws. This snake was made using cucumbers, carrots, and tomatoes. These treats were made by adding a strawberry and green apples to a long skewer. This lion was made using cheese, crackers, dip, and black food coloring. These are a few of the treats: chocolate-covered pretzels, gummy worms, and green licorice. This banner is for the front of the high chair. This was one of the party games. I found a jungle-themed bingo game online and printed them on cardstock. I also punched out green, red, yellow, and orange circles for the chips. This pin the tail game was made by drawing Simba on a white board and cutting out tails to place on the board. I added a blindfold and this game was complete. This banner will have a photo from every month of his first year. I created these silverware wraps using green and yellow napkins with yellow and green silverware. I took a piece of animal print paper and wrapped it around the middle and tied a piece of raffia on top. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.